Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Palantir stock. So let's do the price action analysis, and what you saw on the thumbnail of this video, that next week are we expecting a cool off down to certain levels. Let's talk about what are those levels and what is this potential move that may happen. Would that also change Palantir in an overall bearish structure, or will that constitute a pullback? Let's talk about all of that in this video. So with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Also, please check out my dividend investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. I just did a 31st episode. Profits are looking amazing. I'm very happy with my positions. I have taken some profits out as well from Nvidia, Amazon, and I have Tesla here, finance ETFs, everything, energy ETFs, balanced dividend based portfolio that I have been building here. Check it out. Subscribe here as well if you're interested. Link to this channel will be in the description of this video. All right. Now, Palantir. We are seeing some resistance. Well, at least, okay, here are a couple of things. This was the bullish play. All right. Let's turn on my structural indicator. And guys, all the tools that you see in this video, if you need access to my tools as well, links are in the description below of this video. All right. So Palantir changed the structure back again bullish with this particular green candle. It was going through some red days. Well, red days as in structure becoming weaker on the daily interval. And then it turned again back structure, again full bullish momentum up here. Now, yes, we are technically still in the pullback zone, but in my opinion, there will be some structure break below $31.63. Now, remember, this structure break would be on the daily interval, but on the weekly interval, if I show you, we may remain bullish for quite long time in quite good strength. On weekly interval, this deeper pullback, and we'll see as the structure evolves, but may remain bullish. We do have a lot of good support setting, but that's where that trend line is down there. But I don't expect this thing to come all the way down there right away. We'll have to work our way level by level. Now, what is that level? So the level I'm talking about is $31.61. If we lose this, I do expect some weakness that may come, and I'll leave my indicator on right now. And until where can that pullback come? Well, to the level of $29.84. This is where there's a possibility, plus with 20 days moving average. And also not just that, well, let me also turn on actually cloud on the daily interval as well. So we do have still a bullish cloud on the daily interval, but as we are extended away from it, there is a possibility that, until then it's going to be just bullish and the overall structure. That's why as I said, we have trend line. But do you want to wait until then and then see, or it's all I'm providing you the options. It's up to you what you want to trade, right? But there is a level building here. So let's go to the hourly interval, and that's where things will get a little bit more clear. So I still have my indicator on. That is, that puts in, what is the structure telling us. Now, here we are below this red cloud right now. So, and which means we have broken the cloud, and there is some resistance that has been building over here. So, and today was also overall a red day. So now it all comes down to if we lose $31.62. Now let's turn off this for a second, and let's talk about with the candlesticks price action. So yes, if we lose $31.62, you can expect some cool off intraday, and first level is 200 hours moving average. That's something can be looked at. Now, so let's actually mark this here so that we can track it on the daily interval as well. So this is where 200 hours moving average is, which is not bad. That's not a huge pullback, but I won't be surprised if we lose 200 eventually and come down to 29.82 as well. But until then, what I'm saying, this will be just a near-term downtrend. Overall structure, even until pullback here, is still technically fine. That's just will be a stronger pullback, but just a pullback. Okay, but yeah, weakness may start to come once we start breaking $31.61. So that's the level to watch. Take profits in the extensions. That's what I say. Now, can we continue higher up from here without further breaking below? Well, for that, the way to do that would be if we stay above $31.63, don't lose these pivots, all right? If we stay above it and then get also above this little bit of a last day pivot, $31.89 together with 20 hours moving average, if we can do that, then Palantir can still continue higher, all right? So the game is still to the both sides, but just because some weakness is coming, you also needs to be prepared for the level to the downside, that is $31.62, because we are intraday right now, lower highs, lower lows. Now it's all about, can it continue to break upside, or is it going to break to the downside? But those are the two levels to watch as for right now. And as if we come down 200, and if we lose that as well, then the level down below at 29.83 is a possibility. And yes, so but as I said, until then, we would not necessarily make things as that I mean, things would not turn into as like, oh well, we are full on bearish. Not necessarily, right? That's just going to be a pullback. And in the overall structure, for example, if I turn back on, so for example, we had some these red days, some strong, this is the sentiment change, right? We lost the level and we are getting mostly the red days, red candles, all the pullbacks, or sorry, the rebounds are being sold off, and we did dip quite low as well here. But since we eventually stayed above the cloud, that's still the sentiment. So yes, this cool off can come, but since we're above the cloud, overall bigger structure, at least to level by level, even that will be the last line, this lower band. But yeah, so you have the levels to watch. Near term, you have this level that may give some cool off, and yeah, we'll see. But anyways, you have the levels to the both sides, up and down. But yes, its structure can continue to still remain strong. Palantir is still very strong. We also have a good support at then 27 and 53 cents. But anyways, this is Palantir for this video, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you found it helpful, valuable, well, one more thing before wrapping up, let's go to the 5 minutes interval as well. And I want to turn on my cloud here, or not just cloud, but the indicator, just to get the sentiment. So yeah, we have been staying below the cloud. It's being, well, the day before yesterday also we were below the cloud, then a choppy day. So you are seeing, right, like things are turning negative slowly and slowly. Yeah. So right up from here, this particular day, after this, we have either stayed below the cloud. In the pre or post market, it goes up, but when the market opens, selling pressure comes, it stays below the cloud, comes back up during pre-post market, and then slowly and slowly, it just started to go sideways, choppy, sideways and choppy, and then yeah, still selling off below the band. Yeah, so it's not able to hold the upside right now. It's in the selling zone, just because buyers are taking their profits here, and that's how you should trade. Take profits in the extensions and let the cool off happens, and then you're watching the levels for the support at the lower levels, right? So that's that. All right, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.